about the two main components of computer system. As till now we have completed all the main knowledge which is required to study about computer system. We have studied the classification of computers on the two bases, on the basis of purpose, on the basis of their size. Then we have covered the uses of computer at different places, characteristic of a computer, and how computer system is made up of. Now in this video we will study how computer is made up of with different two types of component. So there are two different types of component, that is hardware and software. Hardware is, we all know, hardware are the physical part of a computer which we can touch, see. Whereas software are the set of instruction which help us to complete any specific kind of task. In this video we will cover the definition of hardware and software and some examples of these components. So let's start and learn more about two components of a computer system. The computer's component. A computer is an electronic data processing machine which accepts data and instruction through input units. It has the ability to process data into meaningful information in the desired form. This age, electronic revolution where computer become an integral part of our life. It is indeed difficult to imagine our daily life without it. Computers are used in various fields such as business, finance, health, and education. For example, when you have to travel, you can use a computer to find the schedule of a bus, train, or flight. You can even book the tickets online. Similarly, the school administration stores academic and attendance record of all the students on computer. This enables the administration to prepare their academic report card and other relevant records. The coordination of computer devices that share a central storage system and various peripheral devices such as printer, scanner, etc. is called a computer system. Each computer may be connected to the computer system that can operate independently and has the ability to communicate with the other external devices. It may consist of hardware and software that are the component of computer work together to make a computer system. Now, let's talk about the component of computer system. A computer system consists of, first is a main component. They are integral part of computer hardware such as CPU, keyboard, mouse, monitor. The computer will not able to work without these components. They are essential for the proper functioning of the computer. Next is peripheral. They are optional components which are attached to computer to enhance its performance. These include web camera, microphone, speaker, barcode reader, joystick, headphones, etc. Next is accessories. They are supporting components that make a system more versatile and useful. These include floppy disk, compact disc, DVD, pen drive, Bluetooth, dongle, etc. The fourth component of computer system is computer software. Computer software, or simply software, is any set of machine readable instruction that direct a processor to perform specific operation. It is also can define as computer software is a set of instruction which are helpful to fulfill the instruction given by the user. Computer software is divided into two types. The first one is system software and the second one is application software. System software includes the operating system and all the utilities that enables a computer to function. It is designed to operate the computer hardware to provide basic functionality needed by the user and to make available a platform for running application software. Examples of system software are Windows, different versions of Windows, Apple, Linux, Android, iOS. Now, application software. Application software includes programs that do the real work for the users. An application is a program or a group of a program that is designed for the user. Application software include database program, word processor, web browser, spreadsheet, etc. Some common examples are MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and MS Outlook. Now, let's learn about the characteristics of computer. Computers are widely used in a variety of functions. The characteristics of computer that make it extremely popular in today's world, such as memory, automation, reliability, versatility, diligence, accuracy, and speed. Basic applications of computer. The uses of a computer in our daily life are numerous and the area of application are increasing constantly. Some of the important area of application of computer are bank and offices. Today bank and other offices are totally dependent on computer. Computer are used extensively for storing information and processing transactions such as money transfer from an account. The use of computer has made it easy to perform tasks with a greater accuracy. Next one is the industry. Computers are widely used in both small and big industries for monitoring operations such as production and inventory tracking. They also help to find defects in job or product very easily. Some industries are using computerized process for manufacturing to ensure high quality product. Education. Nowadays, computers are widely used in the teaching and learning process. Medical science. The use of computer has proved to be a very boon for medical sciences. Computers are used in hospitals to diagnose a disease and a medical research as well. Many types of tests can be done with the help of computer in pathological laboratories. Railways and airways. The different types of services in the railway and airlines and shipping are monitored by the computer. Weather forecasting. The launching of satellites into the space is yet another achievement for the information and technology. Digital devices. Various digital devices such as digital camera, calculator, smartphone use computer to operate. And the final one is computer aided design, that is CAD. Computers are widely used by architects for making exterior and interior design of building, offices, road, rail, bridges, etc. There are two main components in a computer system. The first one is hardware and the second one is software. Hardware can be defined as all the physical part of computer system that can be touched and see and can be moved from one place to another with the help of user is known as hardware. Now, software is known as a set of instructions which are helpful to complete the instruction given by the user. Now let's learn the division of hardware and software. Hardware is categorized into three types: input device, output device, and processing device. Whereas software is categorized into two types: operating software and application software. Input device. An input device can be compared to the sense organ like eyes and ear of a human being. We use our eyes
to see and ear to listen. In the same way, a computer uses the input device to accept data and instruction. It sends the data to the CPU for further processing. Thus, input devices are those units through which we send instruction and data to the machine for processing. Now, different type of input devices are keyboard, mouse, light pen, scanner, digital camera, touchpad, barcode reader, etc. Now, the second division of hardware device is output device. Output device are the unit through which we get the result of any processed data. The computer uses the result to communicate with the user. It receives data or instruction from the input devices in the high level language and passes it to the CPU for further processing. Finally, the processed data or information is displayed on the output device. Now, different types of output devices are visual display unit. It includes all the devices which contain screen, printer, plotter, and projector. Next is the processing device. Processing device is also considered as the part of hardware. There is only one processing device, that is CPU. CPU is known as Central Processing Unit, and it is also considered as the brain of a computer because this part can perform or control and maintain the information given by the user. And the software is categorized into two parts. The first one is operating software. Operating software is the most important part in a computer system to execute all the instruction given by the user, whereas application software are very helpful to perform any specific kind of task given by the user.